Did that sound right? Hairbrush sponge? Hair sponge brush. The hair, wait. Hey guys, it's your girl Samantha K here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing this. I don't even know. Okay, let me stop right here because I don't even know what to call this brush. You know what, let me take it out of the packaging. But I don't know what to call this, but we're getting into it. So my friend went to the store and she got this for me, and I decided I'm going to try it. There's two sides of the brush. I'm gonna show you all once I take it out the packaging, but there is two sides. There's like a flat side and then there's like a bumpy side. So I'm gonna try both sides, and then we're just gonna compare and contrast the two at the end, because I've always seen these brushes but I never thought to try it out on my hair. So we're just gonna try it today, and I want y'all to comment down below which side y'all like better, if there's even going to be a difference, because like I said, I don't even know. I'm kind of skeptical about it because it really looks the same, other than one's flat, one's bumpy, so we'll see. But let's get right into today's video. Let's not waste any more time. As y'all can see, it's like two different sides. It's like the bumpy side, and then there's a straight side. So my hair is already done, but I only have Eden in my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to, well, I have Eden and I have edge control, but I'm just going to spray my hair and then comb it out, and then we're going to go in and I'm gonna add a little bit more product to my hair, and then I'm gonna test out the spin brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna like wet my hair like I normally do. So I want y'all to comment down below if y'all have tried this, if y'all have like shorter hair or whatever and have tried this style. I know a lot of men use this. I feel like when it was advertising it, it would mainly advertise it for men. So yeah, I'm just making sure I'm combing my hair all the way out, just so I won't have no problems. But yeah, my hair is finally growing or whatever. Like, I'm so excited. I don't know if I told y'all, but like once I had did the big chop and I had dyed my hair, after that was over, like once the roots start growing in, kind of looks like dirty blonde, and I did not like that, girl. So I dyed my hair and then I ended up cutting it back. I basically big chopped all over again because I cut it back shorter than what it was before. So now it's finally growing out and I can finally kind of see it. Because at first I thought my hair was not growing. Okay. So my hair is all combed out. I'm going in with my natural curl defining cream by Eden Body Works. Now I'm just gonna like pick it in my hair. Not pick it, but like kind of like pull my hair out, if that makes sense, because I don't want to curl my hair because I want the brush to do the curling. I'm gonna go in with this Extreme Styling Gel Max Hold, and I'm gonna pull my hair outwards because I don't want my hair to like curl up. This looks so crazy. So I'm gonna go in with the bumpy side first, and then I'm gonna do that with the left side, and I'm gonna do the flat side on the right. Go ahead and do it in a circular motion. I don't see y'all. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. It does not look like anything to me. Okay, let me add some more gel or something. Let me just add some more gel to it, because this ain't easy. Maybe I don't have enough. I'm gonna just push it back instead of, yeah, okay. I didn't have enough product, y'all. To rain. I'm so mad. If y'all hear like any thundering, I'm so sorry. There we go. see it working. Oh, this will work out. This is what the straight side looks like. I think this is pretty much what it's supposed to look like all around right here. But for some reason, I cannot get it like that. Like, I've been twisting and turning this brush for a minute and my arms are tired. Like, I feel like I just worked out. It hurts. We need a new method ASAP. I'm gonna try with the bumpy side now, so let's get into it. So this is how the left side came out, and I don't know how to feel about it because it literally, like, let's see if y'all can see it. And here's the right side. It literally looks the same. You know what, let me do my edges. I know I'm looking crazy right now. As y'all can see, this was a fail, but let's just do the edges and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk about it, because I've been doing this for 30 minutes now and it's not doing well. Let's see, let's just do a little 1-2 with the edges here. I'm not even gonna do my edges like, yeah, I'm just doing like this. I would say I give this brush from 1 out of 5. I give it a 1 because I can see the idea, but I just can't see it for my hair. So maybe it'll work for someone's hair, but for mine, it's not working. Like, I tried like 3 different methods. I didn't watch a video the first time, but then I did go back and watch a video, and she literally did the same thing that I did, but she had a different outcome than me. So maybe I'm just not doing the technique right or something. But I want y'all to comment down below which side, if it even looks good, which side looks the best. But yeah, I will honestly rate this a fail. It did not work. I'm not saying the brush doesn't work, but it's just not it for me, because my hair looks a mess, hot mess. But yeah, like, I just cannot. Now I have to go and do my hair all over again because this just, like, I don't know about it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. As y'all can see, this was a complete fail. But I still want y'all to comment which side looks better than the other. In my opinion, like I said, I do not like this brush whatsoever. I don't think it works. Okay guys, so if y'all want to see more videos like this one where I'm just trying new things out on my hair, make sure to smash that like button down below and comment an emoji, just so I know that for the next video I could do something similar to this one. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, it's a no. It's a no for me, sis. It's a no. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Turn on those post notifications and let your family and friends know about me. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. I will be doing a mini giveaway. So make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, bye.